Hey guys, what's going on? Today is going to be the first episode of Marketing to the Soul. As a restaurant marketer, I always like to search for ways to help my clients get free marketing as far as not always spending money to get people into the doors. Today what we're going to focus on is mainly Instagram hashtags and how to understand how to pick the specific hashtags, how to search for hashtags, how to understand where your clients are using hashtags. I'm just going to go over a couple of stats that we got here. First one is going to be food porn. It gets searched around 166 million posts. What that means is that 166 million people are using hashtag food porn when they're posting. What restaurant owners can do is use that hashtag when they post about their food, post about any specials that they're using. It may not bring in customers into your restaurant, but what it's going to do is build brand awareness around your restaurant. The second one is just simply food. It gets used around 285 million times. So when people are making food or they're cooking, usually they like to just do hashtag food along with hashtag food porn as well. And what this does is just kind of people can search these types of hashtags and you can find different types of food. Another one is food photography, and that one gets searched around 24 million times. Again, all these are kind of interchangeable. You can use them all, or you can use one. But the more hashtags you use, the more you can search. People can search for you and find what's going on. And today I found out that today is actually National Tequila Day. So if you're a Mexican restaurant or a restaurant that has a lot of tequila at the bar, definitely do a promotion using a hashtag National Tequila Day. What this does, it'll help drive in traffic of anyone that is searching that specific hashtag, and you can be on the daily trend as we talked about before. The last thing I kind of want to talk about is just jumping on trends and making sure that you're in line with what else is going on. Right now, there's actually a really big video trend going on. It's the Shiggy Challenge. It's from one of Drake's new songs, In My Feelings. Basically, what people are doing is doing their own version of the dance to this song and using hashtag Shiggy Challenge, hashtag In My Feelings. It would just be a cool thing if your restaurant kind of got in on that. It's not a lot of restaurants aren't doing that, so you'll stand out and understand how to use hashtags to gain awareness. Again, the purpose of today's episode isn't to actually bring customers in. What it'll actually do is help build awareness of your restaurant kind of for free, just using hashtags and using daily trends or weekly trends that are happening within Instagram. So just to recap, what we focused on today was using hashtags, most common hashtags when you're posting about food. So for instance, if I posted a picture at a restaurant, I could do porn, hashtag food, hashtag food photography or restaurant, or any of those types of things that kind of build awareness for your restaurant. I actually had a post on Instagram for my anniversary last year that is still getting traction to this day, and I posted it. I'm still getting people liking it, and it's not only going to build awareness for today, but it's going to build awareness for the long run. Stuff from now, tomorrow, a month from now, 2 months from now, a year from now. So just make sure you're using hashtags in your marketing to get known. Thank you.